Hello and welcome to Ceutica. Thank you very much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the really good stuff presented. Well, in Ceutica, we will be focusing on a primary pillar through which pharmacy can serve the whole humanity and printing a very good impact on Earth. Seems like Superman powers, huh? Well, pharmacy doesn't have Superman powers as such. Yet, it does have Pharmaceutics. What is Pharmaceutics? Pharmaceutics is the science concerned with the scientific and technological aspects of the design and manufacture of dosage forms. Or more simply, it's the science of converting drugs to medicines. We will elaborate a bit here to get more understanding. Drugs that are also known as medicinal agents or active pharmaceutical ingredients are the substances or chemical entities you take the medication for. On the other hand, medicines that are also known as dosage forms or drug delivery systems are the means through which medicinal agents are presented and delivered to the body. They can be tablets, capsules, injection, patches, among many other forms. In order to have the medicinal agent into medicine or a dosage form in any product, a lot comes into play. All are aligned under pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutics is the most diverse of all pharmaceutical sciences and involves various areas that can be included into the following. 1. Physical pharmaceutics. 2. Biopharmaceutics. 3. Dosage form design. 4. Pharmaceutical technology and manufacturing. 5. Pharmaceutical microbiology and sterilization. And finally, number 6 is product performance testing. But what each of these branches about? Well, we will be taking them one by one here in Ceutica. But for this video, it was all about the definition and the various branches of pharmaceutics. Here is a quick recap of what we've said. You can take a screenshot and look at it later. Kindly don't forget to share your comments down below and continue learning through Ceutica. Stay fabulous wherever you are.